Hi, want clear and glowing skin this summer? Say goodbye to oily skin, sunburn, and breakouts with these expert summer skincare tips. In this video, I'll show you the best beauty hacks and DIY face masks to keep your skin fresh, hydrated, and protected all season long. Common summer skin problems. Quick fixes: wash your face twice a day with a gentle foaming cleanser and use oil-free sunscreen. Apply aloe vera gel and rose water spray for instant cooling. Use a hydrating serum, hyaluronic acid, and drink lots of water. Use a vitamin C serum every morning for brightness and apply sunscreen SPF 50. Which summer skin problem do you struggle with the most? Let me know in the comments. Must-have summer skincare products. Essentials for every skin type. SPF 50 sunscreen, matte and non-greasy. Refreshing rose water mist, vitamin C serum for brightening, DIY summer face masks, hydrating glow mask for dry skin, yogurt plus honey plus cucumber juice, cools, hydrates, and brightens your skin, sunburn relief, mask, aloe vera plus watermelon juice plus mint, soothes sunburn and refreshes skin, quick summer makeup. Tips: use tinted sunscreen instead of heavy foundation. Switch to lip and cheek tints for a fresh summer glow. Set with a light translucent powder to avoid excess shine. Want an easy summer makeup tutorial? Comment below. If you love these tips, then give this video a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more skincare and beauty hacks. See you in the next one.